Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the data and OBS source. You need an endpoint that returns a plain viewer count number, or JSON. Once done, copy its URL and any API token. In OBS, add a browser source and name it Live Count. Set width and height to match your overlay and disable browser audio. Make sure the URL points to a minimal HTML that fetches the endpoint. This is the foundation, so verify the endpoint returns stable integers before continuing. Now you build the overlay page OBS will render. Create HTML with a single element for the number and use CSS to make it readable, large font, contrasting color, and a subtle shadow. In Java, script poll the endpoint every 2 to 5 seconds using fetch, parse the response to an integer, and update the DOM only when the number changes. Once done, test locally in a browser to confirm smooth updates and no memory leaks before pointing the OBS browser source at that file or hosted URL. Finish by integrating and verifying behavior in stream. In OBS, set the browser source URL to your overlay, match FPS to 30 or 60, and position or crop it in the scene. Make sure refresh browser when scene becomes active is off unless desired. Instead, rely on polling. If you see blank or stale counts, check console for CORS or fetch errors, confirm the endpoint responds quickly, and lower the polling interval if necessary. One key tip: enable console logs to diagnose.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.